All right, so here we are. We've got the bamboo. We've started cutting it down to size using the Shopmaster Delta, or Delta Shopmaster, I should say. Got our stop block, doing our cross cuts. This blade that came with, this blade in there that came with the Shopmaster is barely making it through this solid bamboo. So I'm having to go a little slower than I wanted. But we're getting it cut down. And this is going to be the countertop on the cabinets that are in the barn back there. You can see behind all the cardboard there's that secret door that goes into a second portion of the barn. And we're getting those counters in there, those cabinets in there covered. But today we're cutting the bamboo to size, and then we'll be doing the install as soon as it gets a little cooler, maybe this evening, maybe tomorrow morning. Just kind of depends on what else is going on. But this is phase 1 of reusing materials. So, all right, sorry, the kiddo's yelling about some pile of sand. Again, she's cutting attitude, so she's got more work to do. There's Stormy Dog. Stormy Dog. Stormy Dog. There's the other kiddo digging a hole. Go figure. Alrighty. That's what we're working on today. Okay, so we cut the bamboo flooring to make our countertops for the old shelves. Again, this is in a barn, so I'm not worried about fancy edging or anything like that. But if I wanted to, I could put a piece of trim there. Quite honestly, I'm not going to, because this is going to be where I roast my coffees. You can see I've got a coffee roaster over there. So I'm just going to use this as a little workspace. Nothing fancy. Again, the pantry. This is all just kind of dry fit right now, but I'm going to get it all glued in. I'm not going to use any nails or anything like that because, quite honestly, I don't want the nail heads not penetrating far enough and sticking out through the bamboo. So we're going to use a little adhesive. Glue each one together with a little glue. Glue it down to the base. Just on the back side probably, and maybe a couple drops on the front side. This should be heavy enough that it's not going to go anywhere, especially for what it's going to be used for. And we should be good to go. So reuse, recycle. That's the homesteading way. It beats buying 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch plywood for a countertop at $40 a piece or whatever they cost these days. And it took me 28 pieces of wood cut down. Well, I should say 28 pieces of bamboo flooring to make this nearly seamless countertop. Alrighty, on to the next.